What's up? It's Sunday, May 17th, and we're here in Jersey City. The weather's amazing, and it's 86 degrees. Awesome. Good times. We got no rain as far as I know. Hopefully none. I found a great parking spot today, so hopefully in Jersey City you gotta be you gotta have your eyes peeled, but I think the parking spot is decent. So we're gonna walk through Times Square. We're gonna go to the World Trade Center and then Chinatown. I'm checking the little big guy, making sure he's okay. Okay, it's kind of hard to see. 1 second. Okay, yeah, we're here in Jersey City, heading over to Manhattan. We're gonna check out the World Trade Center and walk over to Chinatown. So yeah, it's a nice day today. Yeah, May 17th, 2026, and it's like amazing. Not a cloud in the sky right now. We got 86 degrees. So yeah, let's go. I just dropped something? No, okay, it sounded like I dropped something. So yeah, I think we walked around this place last time this way. Pretty sure we can get into the exchange place. I'm operating on barely any sleep. Didn't get much sleep last night. The weather changing warmer actually made it a little tough to sleep. So yeah, it's just the change of the weather right now. Yeah, we're gonna walk around Manhattan. And I think I got a good parking spot today. Jersey City is tricky with parking, so I'm hoping it's a good parking spot. Sundays are the best day to come to Manhattan because of the parking. And I don't drive through Manhattan anymore. It just doesn't make sense to drive through Manhattan. When you're here from Jersey, you know, you can just take the path. And okay, so I guess we could come through this way. Okay, so let's go. Okay, yeah, so we're walking up to Exchange Place right now. And there's Manhattan, World Trade Center. Been a minute since we've been up here. So, whoa, gotta watch where I'm walking. Yeah, let's take a little view of the Manhattan from here. With the little big guy, Pocket 3. We're shooting an HLG right now. First time shooting with HLG in Manhattan. Let's hope it comes out good. And like I say sometimes, like YouTube, when it goes on YouTube, it doesn't always process to HDR. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's just a pipeline. But I like to mention that sometimes. So it's either HDR or HDR-ish. Okay. But I have my live stream gear with me. I got 3 battery packs. Hopefully we're good. I guzzled down a bunch of water. So it's gonna be a little hot. And yeah, Jersey City's looking good today. Real busy day today. A lot of people out having a good time. It's like summer vibes. We got summer vibes today, for real. Seriously feels like summer today. And it's awesome. Gotta love it. There's really no rain in the forecast from what I know, which is a beautiful thing. So we are in pretty good shape as far as that. Okay, in our SD card, we got a good 9 hours of space. So we should be good there, as far as I know.
You might get in a bar fight, go to jail, right? Wake up the next morning, and out. I feel like Rich don't have that type of stuff. You get jailed up out there.
So the path fares went up a little bit, $3.25. Not a whole lot, but it went up a little bit. Okay, it's been a while. All I know is we could tap and pay. Let's go, go. Okay, it says go. There we go, we got it. I really hope my number wasn't on there. I might have to blur that one out. I didn't expect that. So yeah, this is a very long steps. We're gonna walk. Okay, got the little big guy. Let's go, little big guy. It's pretty wild walking on these steps. It's almost like you're on a ride, like a amusement park or something. Wow, pretty dope. This is pretty crazy. All right, there we go, we got it. Let's go, we got it, all right. Now, as far as I remember, trains to Newark, WC trains this way. Oh, whoa, let's go. Let me go, let me go. We got it. We got it, we got it. World Trade Center, right? Okay, just making sure. Okay.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
My badge, just in case. Stop off in the office. Like, steal some more.
I would stop by just so I can look at some stuff, so it's not
pay attention for a little bit, otherwise you just miss it.
This is the train to your destination. Making stop at Exchange Lane, Charles Square, Harrison, and Newark Penn Station. The next stop is Exchange Place.
Okay, New York, New York. Okay, we're here, New York. Let's go. WTC, World Trade Center. Let's make our way over to Chinatown. Got a little big guy, rockin' and rollin'. Pocket 3 camera, let's go. Let me make sure he's straight. Okay, little big guy straight. Yeah, I chugged down a bunch of water, but wow, it might get might get a little bit thirsty today. I should have actually brought a bottle with me, but it's okay. Bottle of the water. Okay, so we are going up this way. No, path trains. No, we're going this way. It just doesn't look like the street because it's so high. Okay. Actually, it's a floor up from where I was looking. But yeah, we are here at the Oculus Center, if I said it correctly. Let's make our way to the street. They got the AC cranking in here, but it's very warm outside. It's so nice out, and so it's cool. It's cool that they have the AC cranking. I do think next time I'm going to bring my waters. But I did hydrate myself quite a bit. Okay. So you got all these trains here. You can get to a lot of places in New York City here. And I have to make sure none of my stuff falls out of my pockets today. That is a plus. And Big Guy might overheat a little. I have the Pocket 2 camera with me also, just in case his older brother. So he might have to have a timeout somewhere. And I do have my live stream equipment. Wow, I forgot how far down you have to go here. Wow, this is so high up. That is so low down underneath the surface here, basically. Pretty wild, so let's go this way. Yes, I'm the person that takes the steps when I can. But we are doing a lot of walking today, so it's a little different. Maybe steps aren't the best thing for today. So here's a picture. Boom.